Guideline 5. Implement health education that provides students with the knowledge, attitude, skills, and experiences needed for healthy eating and physical activity. Health education can increase the likelihood that students engage in healthy behaviors and avoid or reduce health risks to become successful learners and productive adults. It is recommended that schools should require health education for students in pre-kindergarten through grade 12. Instruction should address healthy eating, physical activity, inactivity such as television watching, and healthy weight maintenance. It is recommended that health education be culturally appropriate for all students, have a clear set of behavioral outcomes, be based on national standards, follow a planned progression in health lessons that are appropriate for the age, growth, and development of students, and be consistent with scientific evidence and effectiveness.